Good morning students, my name is Sarabjit Singh and I am your English teacher. So in class 7th we were studying active passive, so just continue it, इसको continue करते हैं. So today we will start the book work. So we will start with the exercises A on page number 101 in your English grammar book. So first one is fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verbs given in the brackets. तो इसमें आपको क्या करना है, वर्ब की फॉर्म का सही यूज करना है. फाइन. एक्सरसाइज ए, वी आर हैविंग 8 क्वेश्चंस. First one, lunch dash only between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. Verb is served. So we know lunch singular character and in the form of passive voice we use third form. Fine. So in present formation I told you is am plus third form. तो served में क्या चेंज करेंगे, is served हो जाएगा. All the lights plural now, that means is are switched. Third form. All the lights are switched off at 10 p.m. Fine. The children plural now, verb is expect, so are expected. Fourth one, only very bright students plural dash to class 11 are admitted because we are having plural object. Students are admitted. Eyes in the basement, the verb is test, so are tested. Because when we convert present, simple present into passive voice, we will use is a one plus third form. वही यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं. 7, 6. Progress reports are regularly sent. Fine. Reports में are का use करेंगे and verb is sent. 7th, sugar is sold at lower rates at fair price shops because sell will be converted to sold. Sugar एक है. Parents dash to see the principal on Monday. तो verb is requested. तो parents plural है, are requested. So lunch is served only between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. Second one, all the lights are switched off at 10 p.m. The children are expected to bring their own water bottles. Fourth one, only very bright students are admitted to class 11. Fifth one, eyes are tested in the basement. Sixth one, progress reports are regularly sent to the parents. Okay. Seventh, sugar is sold at lower rates at fair price shops. In the eighth one, parents are requested to see the principal on Monday. Are requested. Clear? Change these sentences from active to passive. Now look it carefully. People do not take the laws seriously. People do not take the laws seriously will be converted into object is the laws are not taken seriously by the people. The laws are not taken seriously by people. This book contains many colorful pictures. So, many colorful pictures are contained in this book. Third one, I take good care of my toys. So my toys are taken good care of by me. Fourth one, a gardener regularly trims the hedge in my lawn. So the hedge in my lawn is regularly trimmed by a gardener. Your conduct puzzles me. So I am puzzled by your conduct. Children leave all sorts of things in the school buses. So all sorts of things are left in school buses by children. School buses. Seventh. Does he know me? So me will convert into I. Fine. And do does will convert into am. So am I known to him? Eighth one. What do you need? What is needed by you? Clear? The laws are not taken seriously by people. Many colorful pictures are contained in this book. My toys are taken good care of by me. The hedge in my lawn is regularly trimmed by a gardener. I am puzzled by your conduct. All sorts of things are left in school buses by children. Am I known to him? What is needed by you? Okay. Ask the speaker a difficult question. A difficult questions हमारी object है. Ask verb है. The speaker also basically object. Fine. Ask a difficult question. A difficult question पूछा जा रहा है तो वो हमारी direct object है. तो हम यहाँ पे जो है speaker से भी start कर सकते हैं because वो भी indirect object है. So the speaker was asked a difficult question by him. तो it is basically a part of simple past. Fine. तो उसको बेसिकली सिंपल पास्ट के रूल से समझ सकते हैं. सी हाउ the case of the simple past, active will be subject plus verb second form plus object. Fine. So what you do? Object plus was verb plus fine. See how his help. Here his help हमारा object है. His help was taken by me. Simple as that. And in negative cases, subject plus did not plus no first form plus object. Fine. So in this case, object plus was yeah what plus not plus third form plus by okay subject. Let's see. My mate did not break this chair. The chair basically object, break verb, did helping verb. So did will convert into was verb, break will convert into broken, and this chair will be as a object. This chair was not broken by my mate. Clear? So in interrogative, we will use did before the subject. In interrogative negative, we will use did plus not. Fine. So was the door opened by clear? So in negative cases, did he not? And was the door? No. Clear? Next topic is double interrogative. In this cases, we will use by question, why did, why made, cook the food, so why the food single English was, why was the food cooked by and in negative portion, why did my maid not, and why was the food no? Okay, so that was the format of simple past. So in the next lecture, we will do the exercise work of simple past. I hope आपको समझ में आया होगा. So do practice at home. Thank you.